So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for February 8th. Now, if you know you're not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So we can start with the trend first. We can see that GBP USD was actually an uptrend move. No doubt about that. So we all know this massive move, this drop that happened, it was about last week, right? One was an interest rate increase, right? The other one was NFP. We all see that DXY itself actually had a massive bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why all the peers against USD actually dropped. They all dropped, right? So you can see it right now. Price is at a crucial level whereby it's that this price will continue to drop or price will actually continue to push up. So basically, we are at a crucial level where we can't really predict where this movement will be made. Will this price continue this up movement, or are we going to have a rejection here whereby price will actually drop? So that will be a bit difficult for us to be able to predict, right? But we have to trade with what we see and not what we think. So we will apply that principle of trade what you see and not what it takes. Thereby, we would go to the 4-hour time frame and see what this price is actually playing out. So, what is this price doing? Price is literally ranging within this resistance level up here and this support level. So all we just have to do is go ahead and range with it. So if you can be patient enough for this price to come to this resistance level, then you go ahead and sell. Or if you are patient enough for this GBP USD drop to this support level before you actually take your buy. So anyhow, it is up to you, right? So what personally I'll be aiming for is a buy movement to take out this resistance level, because I believe DXY or this our USD index will literally give us a bearish move, thereby making a bullish move on GBP USD. So this is what I'll be watching out for, like kind of like an import bullish move on GBP USD. So if I can grab about 60 to 80 pips for the next day, it is still not bad, right? So I think we should actually watch out for a bullish move. So if in case you are in need of high probability trade that I believe you have higher chances of winning such trade, right? I'll be putting a link to my Patreon channel below. With just 20 USD, you can actually subscribe to it. You'll be able to get an update from me. Trade that I'll be taking personally, trade for the week that I'll be taking personally, and trade for the day that I'll be taking personally. You can go ahead and access it. So I'll be putting a link. And by the way, we actually put out some trade that we'll be taking a look at on Monday, which price has actually gotten to that level. One of those trades is Euro AUD, and the second one is AUD card. So those are the two, one of those two trades that has actually gotten to that our level, and we actually were able to hit that level, due to increase in interest rate. So I told my subscribers that they should take such trade, and they actually took it. So they must have actually made a lot. So if in case you are interested in some of my analysis, just have to do is check the link below in the comment section and get an update. By the way, I'm also going to be putting out an update on WTI. If in case you're interested in trading and want to subscribe, be one of my Patreon subscribers, you'll be able to get access to it. And also, I'll be putting updates on natural gas under my Patreon's channel. So if in case you're interested in any of this, just become one of my Patreon subscribers.